Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are well. I'm back again with another traditional typical Assamese cuisine. Chicken with banana stem, what we call in Assamese, kolposolare hoite murgi mankhor jol. Friends, it's a very simple recipe, very easy recipe, but it's very tasty and healthy recipe. It's very much well known to almost every housewife of Assamese people, friends. Today I am going to present before you with a little bit twist of my own. So friends, please be with me till end. Along with the recipe, I am going to share with you all the health benefits of this banana stem. So then, let's move towards my kitchen. Friends, let's prepare the chicken first. So this is 500 grams of chicken. I am taking 2 tablespoons curd. I am taking. Then this is onion, 4 big onions. I've just diced it. Right now I'll be using only half part of it, and later on the half part I'll use. Then this is mustard oil. It's 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Turmeric powder about 1 spoon I'm adding. Salt 2 spoon I'm adding. It depends upon your taste. Then this is ginger, garlic and fresh chili paste. It's about 4 teaspoons. And among spices, cumin powder 1.5 spoon, coriander powder 2 spoon, garam masala powder 1 spoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, and 2 bay leaves. Now for marination, I am just going to add the cumin powder, the coriander powder, and the red chili powder. Rest the garam masala and the bay leaves I'll be using later on. So let's add this. Now friends, let's give it a very good mix. And then let's cover it for about 1 hour. So friends, this is the banana stem, the trunk part of banana tree. We Assamese people especially used to prefer the baby banana plant for this recipe. And everyone used to have their own process of preparing this banana stem. So friends, today I am going to share with you all my process, how I used to clean this or cut this. Just remove the outer covering. It's very hard to digest, hard to cook. We are going to take only the inner soft part. This one, the white part, and yes, all these are washed. Friends, this banana stem is a rich source of fiber and it helps in weight loss. It's rich in potassium and vitamin B6. So friends, it's ready now. Let's slice it. Now I have said before also, I am sharing my way of chopping. In this way, just slice it and just I am rolling the fibers in this way in my finger. Everyone is having their own way of chopping this banana stem, friends. I'm saying again, I'm just sharing my way of chopping only. But I like my way. So friends, see, these fibers, these are very much hard to digest. So we are not going to use this in our recipe. Just throw them. In this way, I am going to chop all of them. So friends, chopping is done. See, it looks very beautiful, isn't it? I like this pattern. So let's marinate this also. For this, I am going to add little bit of salt over it and then mash in this way. It's fun, you are going to love this. It's very easy. In this way, see, it's all done now. So friends, let's cover it for a while, for about half an hour. And by now our chicken is also ready, so let's start with chicken. Friends, our oil is ready, so let's get started. Here goes the bay leaves, and then this is friends cinnamon cardamom and cloves. I'm sorry I forgot to share with you all while showing the ingredients. I'm adding this also. And then this is the rest of the onion. Stir it properly and saute for a while. You know friends, this banana stem helps in detoxification. That means it helps in flushing out toxins from our body. It's a good digestive and diuretic. So friends, our onions are ready. Now let's add the chicken. Here goes my chicken. Friends, most of my Bengali YouTuber friends from Kolkata and Bangladesh, they often used to say to me, means they used to request to me that please share some traditional recipes of Assamese people. So this recipe is for them. And yes, they often used to ask me whether I know Bengali, I understand Bengali. My dear friends, I have said before also, and today again I am saying, yes, I understand Bengali. I can speak Bengali. আমি বাংলা বলতেও পারি আর আমি বাংলা বুঝিও. So let's get back to my recipe again. Stir intermittently and then I'm going to cover this for a while. Let's check friends. Wow, it's almost half cooked now. Now at this stage I'm going to add the banana stem. So friends, my banana stem is ready. Let's add this. I'm going to add potatoes also. I'm sorry friends, I forgot to show this also while sharing the ingredients. Now friends, let's give a very good stir. You know friends, this banana stem is very much effective in treating kidney stones, and also it's very much good in UTI. It also helps in managing cholesterol level, and yes, also good for blood pressure friends. Again I'm going to cover this for a while. Let's see friends. Wow, it's almost done now. Friends, I have checked before also twice or thrice and just stirred for a while. And I think this is done now. Yes, our potatoes are cooked. Now friends, if you like dry chicken, then you may have like this only without adding water. It's almost ready. Just few minutes of cooking and then it's ready. But I prefer a little bit gravy type, as because my kids wants gravy always. So I'm going to add a little bit of water in it. 1 glass of lukewarm water I'm adding friends. Stir it properly. Now friends, before winding up, just 1 spoon of garam masala, that's all. And then again I'm going to cover this for a while, allow it to boil, and our chicken with banana stem will be ready then. So friends, if you like my today's upload, then please don't forget to click the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon, and of course yes, don't forget to comment me.